Welcome to new video. Now we will try to cut a stroke in this video. Let's take an ellipse tool. I take an ellipse and I will stop the fill and open our okay. I will open stroke. Here the stroke you can see. Now how can we cut the stroke? And we divided the stroke from here. First of all, we have to go to the scissor tool. Then you can see here the scissor tool, and you can press C on your keyboard, press C, and then you have to click the path where from you want to cut. Get started from here. Okay, I will cut here and from here. Okay, and then I will click here. Okay, and now I will click selection tool or press V. Okay, then we select here. Okay, let's see this magic. In this way you can cut your any stroke or path from your design. Thank you so much.